So hello students, we are again here with one more new video, okay, which will be doing over the chapter called compound interest. Okay, so as I have already discussed with you that what is the difference between compound interest and simple interest, okay, and I have already explained you that what is a conversion period and how it is being used. Today we are going to discuss that one and many others. So let's get into the chapter. Okay, so the first question is that, so you have, I hope that you have already seen my conversion video. Okay, so after that, if you not, just go through the video, the link is there. Okay, so for example, I will tell you that how a conversion period works and how that we can do the sums over semi-annually, quarterly, or whatever is made that. We have already completed the topics on yearly. Okay, you are familiar with that. So let's get into the chapter. So for example, the first question is, okay, the principal is around 16,000. Okay, and the time they gave you, time will be 1 by 2 years, 1 by 2 years. Okay, at 10% per annum. So rate of interest is 10% per annum. You know what do you mean per annum? Per annum means per year, for 1 year. They are saying the interest being compounded half yearly. They are saying that interest being compounded half yearly. Now what do you mean by this? So the interest which we are going to provide them, okay, that is on the basis of half of yearly. Means a year is divided into two parts, half yearly, as I told you in conversion period also. Okay, so according to that, with respect to that, okay, let's do the sum. Okay, so as you know that if it is for half years, so a single year is divided into two parts. So what are the things which we are going to do? This is 1 by 2. What does you mean by this? Is one complete year and this is half of that year. Okay, so one complete year is there plus half the year. One complete year, okay, is that half yearly? So it's a half yearly. So one complete year means 2 times. Half year means one time. So indirectly we can say n is equal to 3 year. N means the number of times that half yearly is coming. 1.5 years. Okay, just like 1.5 years you can write like this. 6 months plus 6 months plus 6 months. 1 year, half year. So 6 months, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. N is equal to 3 years. Now this is the rate of interest for per annum. For 1 year the rate of interest is 10%. But here we are going to discuss the topic related to half yearly. So we have to convert the rate of interest from 1 year into half years. So half year will be obviously 5%. For 1 year if it is 10%, for semi-annually or half yearly it will be 5%. Okay, so let's get into the chapter. Okay, it's done now. N is equal to 3, it is 5%, and principal is 16,000. So the same process, interest being compounded half yearly for N is equal to 3 years. So N is equal to 3 years. So after that, you know what you have to do. This is a sample of the question, okay, where I am just going to explain you how a conversion period can be used. Okay, so I have already explained you what is a conversion period. Okay, so you are familiar with how it works with a quarterly, half yearly, annually. But the thing is that now you have to apply those things in the question. So that's why this is the question: how to convert after getting N is equal to 3 years, rate of interest is 5%, and time period is 16,000. So you can do that one. First, you will find out the interest amount as the process I have told you in the first video also. Okay, so you can do this one. Okay, if so I'm just giving you the answer. Okay, you do and solve and tell me the answer. So compound interest for 1.5 year is 2522. See whether you're getting the answer or not. If not, tell me, I will tell you how it works. Okay, so let's get into the next question. So now we have understood that how it works. So now now so let me use this one to find out something else also. Okay, so you have copied this one, it's okay. So now let's get into the next question. Okay, so the question is, okay, so this is the question. The question is, Neha invested 6,000 for 2 years. Okay, 2 years. At the end of first year, this is the At the end of first year, what we are going to get? Obviously amount. Wait, do I am missing something? At the end of first year, amounts. Okay, this is amount, they told you already. Amounts to this one means this is amount. Okay, at the end of first year. Okay, component annually means there's no tension, nothing to do, directly you will do the sum, nothing to conversion. You have to find out the rate and the amount due at the end of second year. First you have to find out the rate of interest. Now how to find out the rate of interest? Okay, what they told you, what they gave me, see, principal is there, rupees 6123. Okay, and what is this? Amount at the end of first year. Amount at the end of first year. At the end of first year means this is the amount for first year only, rupees 6720. Okay, and what else I am having? Time is equal to 2 years and nothing else. So how to find out rate? So formula for rate of interest is rate is equal to SI by P into T, na? Okay, so 100 is there. Okay, P is there, P I am having, T is there. What about SI? Now you tell me what is the how to find out SI by using A and P? You know that one. So simple interest is equal to amount minus principal. So answer will be 720 rupees. So use this one. So rate, when you are going to calculate, you are going to get 12%. I have already calculated it. Okay, so rate you are going to get as 12%. So this is answer. Now after that they are saying that you have to also find out the amount at the end of second year. Amount at the end of second year means to find out the amount of first year, you have to add that one to the principal. Again you have to calculate the interest. Then after adding that one, you are going to get the amount at the end of second year. This is the process for compound interest, right? Okay. So now, but we are not going to do such a lengthy process. Why? Because we have the value amount at the end of first year is already there. So it is needed to do it again. No, same thing, no need, because we are going to do the same thing. We are going to get the same amount at the end of first year. So now we'll use this one to calculate the amount at the end of second year. So this is the amount at the end of first year. So this will be the principal for second year. We know that one. This is the amount. Maybe you're getting confused. Okay, let me give you some steps. So first what you have to do, interest for first year like this, na, is equal to P into T into R by 100. You used to get the interest for first year something. Okay, and you have to find out the amount for first year. So this one plus this one you have to do. Okay, then this one has to become interest, sorry, this used to become the principal for second year, right? So that's what they gave you. What the amount at the end of first year, they gave you how much? 6720. Now it will be the principal of second year, na, 6720. That's what I'm saying. Now take out the interest, 6720 into 1 into second year, na, into rate of interest is how much? 12% we got now by 100. Interest, what is the interest? Okay, so interest will be 8 rupees 806.40. now find out the amount. So rupees 6720 plus rupees 806.40. after calculating 7526.40 is the answer. So understood, na? If they have not given you this amount, then you have to calculate from the starting. As they already gave me, okay, why I am going to do from the starting? Sir, if I am doing from the starting, is it any harm? Is there no harm? Is there, but the time is wastage. Okay, wasting of time, because they already give you. If you will solve the same thing, you are going to get it here. So why I am going to solve that sum? Because they already gave me. Understood? Okay. So you understood this sum, na? Let's go for the next question. Copy this one. Okay, this is the next question. They are saying that what sum of money will amount to 3704.40? Amount means this amount in 3 years. Okay, at 5% compound interest. Means to find out the principal. What sum means? What sum? Whenever they say sum, so it's the principal you need to find out. Okay, 3 years there. You know that we can do it by using a formula also. If this type of questions arises in your exam, so it's not that you will do by the big method, that step, that what we say steps method. Okay, so you can use the direct formula. So the formula I'm writing out here, so amount is equal to principal 1 plus r by 100. This is the formula. Maybe you are having this one before the starting of the video, the formula was there. Okay, you have to copy it down. Okay, this formula you can use it. For compound interest also formula is there. If they say that use the formula, you have to use the formula. If not, this type of sums can be solved by using formula only. Okay. Okay, so what they gave you? 3704.40 is equal to P as it is. We don't know. 1 plus R value is 5 by 100. So N is 3. Nothing it is mentioned means is a annually. Sir, if it is a half yearly, we'll discuss it afterwards that one. First we have to do this one. Na? 370440 by 100. I'm just taking out the point, making it simple. You have to do the same process. Now this one. Now what is the now whenever this thing is there, so what you have to do? This one plus this one. 100 plus 5 much? 105 by 100 directly. If 3 is there, 100 plus 3, 103 by 100. How it works? Take out the LCM, you will see the same thing. That much time it doesn't have, that's why we will do this. Okay. So now here I am doing. So 370440 by 100. P here 105 by 100. 105 by 100. 105 by 100. How to find out P? Okay. So P is equal to, we'll go this side, 370440 by 100, reciprocal, 100 by 105, 100 by 105, multiply 100 by 105. You have to solve this one. Cancelled. Okay. Now 21 ja, 20 ja, 21 ja, 20 ja, 5 table. Okay. Now what is left? First you write 370440 into 20 into 20 by 21 multiply 21. Okay. Now let us see by 21 table. 21 1 ja, 21 possible. Let us see 21. Okay, you solve and see, you will get the answer as 3200. You will get the answer. Okay, it's like 21 370440 na, 21 1 ja 21, here 16 160, how much ja, 21 6 ja, 7 ja 7 ja, 7 1 ja 7, 70 ja 14, next here 3, here 1 134, same thing, 6 ja 6 ja 12, next here also how much, 4 4 8 4, next 4 ja rightly 0 0 here 840, cancelable. Okay, so it will be 17640. Further it will be cancelable. 21 1 ja you can do, you will get your answer 3220. So this is the way you will find out the principal. Okay, if this type of sum comes in your exam. Okay, so next thing, and we have gone through many of the videos. Okay, so this is your next question where we need to find out the rate. Okay, so they are saying the rate you have to find out when the time period is 2 years, rupees 5000 amount to this month. Obviously the amount will be more as compared to that of a principal. Okay, so we'll assume this one as a principal, no need to assume that it's a principal only, and this is the amount. Okay, so according to that, as I given you the formula, so amount is equal to principal 1 plus r by 100. Okay, so this type of question you are going to do it by using the formulas only. Okay, compounded this thing, so obviously the formula will be of compound interest. Okay, amount they gave you as 5832. Okay, don't forget to write rupees 5000. Okay, and 1 plus r is how much? R we have to find out, r by 100, when n is equal to 2 years. Rightly they give you a yearly one. Okay, if it is a half yearly, we'll discuss it later. Okay, the question will come. So next one will come down, rupees. Why it is coming down? Maybe you are very familiar with this one. We have to find out r. So when we have to find out r, the one who is along with r, they all should be removed one by one, because r should be alone. Okay, so 5832 by, there's a multiply sign between these two terms, so this will be divided. 5123 equal to, so what is being left? 1 plus r by 100. Okay, and here it will be 2. Now solve this one. How much is going to become? So this is what we are going to get after cancellation. Okay, you have to do the cancellation, right? So now what is, now again we need r. So so we have removed that 5000. Now we have to remove the square root. When we'll go this side, will be so square will become a square root. Okay, square root of 729 will be 27 and this will be 25. Okay, and the bracket will be opened. Now what we have to do, the 1 should also be removed. Okay, 1, what is the relationship of r and 1 is a plus sign, so it will go minus sign. So 27 by 25 minus 1 is equal to r by 100. Okay, now LCM will be this much. Now it will be 27 minus 25 by 25 is equal to r by 100. Okay, now it will be 2 by 25 is equal to r by 100. So again 100 is there. I need to find out r. What is the relationship between r and 100? So it is a divide sign, so you need to go multiply. 25 by 2 into 25 by 100 is equal to r. So 25 1 25 4, so 8% is your rate of interest. So is it clear for you? There you go. This is the next question, where we need to find out the time period when it is semi-annually. Annually it will be very easy for you. Now that's why I have told you that we are going to do a semi-annually, and quarterly we will do it. Okay, so now you see everything I have written it down from a question. Okay, I will read the question for you so that it will be easy for you, because if I will give you direct values, it will be, everyone can do that one, but by reading and gathering those information is difficult for you. Okay, let me read out the question. The question is, the sum of rupees 25,000 invested at 8% per annum compounded semi-annually amount to rupees 28,121.60. Okay, compute the time period for the investment. So if you want, you can write the question. Okay, so that when you want to solve it, you can solve it down, and I have gathered those information, I have written it down like that. Okay, so now, so what I have to find out, I have to find out time period. What I told you, whenever you have to find out any time period or rate of interest, try to do it by using the formula only. It will be easy for you. Okay, so we are going to get the marks in the exam. Obviously you are going to get the marks in the exams. Okay, so the formula will be amount is equal to P1 plus R by 100 N. Now previously we have used this formula. Okay, and we have changed anything in the sum is the principal only. Rate of interest, amount, nothing. We have did it directly when we have to find out the rate of interest and the time period whenever the last questions. That was the case of annually. That's why I have written semi-annually. That was the case of annually. And you know what do you mean by semi-annually? Semi means what? Half of a year. Half of a year means you can say directly it is a half yearly, or you can say 6 months. 6 months, okay, whatever it may be. Okay, they will try to get you confused, but don't get confused. All things are same, as I already discussed you in my previous videos also, that what is a conversion period, how they will play with the terms and make you confused. Don't get confused. Okay, so now when is half yearly, so do some will get because of this half yearly? No sir. Rate, sir, rate will get affected. It will get reduced to 4%. Why? In 6 months it is for 1 year. Per annum means 1 year. 1 year is 8%. For 6 months it's how much? For 6 months it will be 4% by 2. And amount will be same as it is. Time period will also be affected, but we know the time period. No sir, we don't know the time period. First to take out the time period, after that we'll change the time period with respect to semi-annually. Okay, first you have to find the time period, no? Okay, so now amount is equal to 28,121.60 equal to rupees 25,123, sir, rupees, yes, right. 1 plus R is how much? 4 by 100 into, and we don't know this one. Okay, so again the same thing, we have to find out n. So everyone one by one go together. 121.60 by rupees 25,000 is equal to I told you 104. Shortcut 4 by 100. Why? As I already explained you why it will be 104, because one is the take out the LCM. Ultimately you are going to get 104. Okay, so now you solve this one, take out the point, so it will be 28,121.60 by 2 points. Now after the number 2 points are there, so 2 zeros. So 25,123 and 2 more zeros. So it will be, now you can do this one. You can cancel this one. 52, 50, 26, 25. So 26 by 25 it will be n. Okay, now slowly cancel this one also. Okay, I will show the cancellation right over there. Okay, because many students get confused. regarding this one. 0 0 cancel. Now okay, 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 4 ja 6 ja 8 ja, huh? Okay, 16. 0 1 more 0 will come, and after that 12. Now like this. Okay, now why zeros came, you know this one. Okay, now okay, it's not possible with the 5. Okay, now here also the 2 table, 1 ja 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 0 0. The 2 table, 7 ja 0, 3 is 0, 4 ja. Okay, next 2 6 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, this one. Next 2 35, 2 1 ja 2, 1 10, 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4. Okay, next 2 ja 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. Next 2 1 ja 1 4 15, 2 7 ja 14, 1 11, 2 5 ja 10, 1 15, 2 7 ja 14, 1 12, 2 6 ja 12. Okay, next. Is it possible? Any more calculations possible? No, it's not possible, no? So ultimately we are having 17576 by, after multiply, how much you going to get? 15625. Yes, 15625. This is the after multiplication you are going to get. Okay. Okay, now after this, so we did this one after calculation. So now we are going to get the answer. Now one small trick I will tell you, that how to solve this at a big value. Okay, so we have understood this one. So instead of this I'm going to write 17576 by 15625 is equal to 26 by 25n. So whenever you're going to find out the time period, so remember one thing, after cancellation or before cancellation also, this top value, okay, will be here also. This 25, this 15625 is made of 25 only, and this 17576 is also made of 26 only. Sir, how you came to know? Because when you have to find out the time period, now they will give you that type of question only. So how many times you will multiply 26, so you will get this one. How many times you will multiply 25, you are going to get this one. Sir, how will come to know? So you have to multiply and you have to see, it may be 2 times. No, because 2 times when you multiply it will be 625. So obviously it is more than 2 times. Okay, let us see. You just multiply and see. I have saw that one. If you multiply 25 into 3 times, you are going to get this number, 25 into 25 into 25, and here it will be 26 into 26 into 26. This thing you have to do. Okay, if it is 3 times, this should be also 3 times. Okay, if you're not getting mail, somewhere you did the mistake. So 25, and so now this one we can write like this: 26 by 25 3 times is equal to 26 by 25 n. So now n is equal to 3. So n is equal to 3. So we got n equal to 3, but it is about semi-annually. If it is annually, answer is right. But